Hey, once again, this is Hashim the Barber, and right now you're tuned in to my IG and my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about you because you are important and you have value. And one of the things that we're talking about today is insurance. And recently I got a message from a stylist that had made her own product, and her product is going to be at her store. And she was wondering, like, what type of insurance do I need, or do I need insurance to, just to protect myself? And it's actually sparked a great conversation for a lot of barbers, stylists, anybody in this industry. Is that yes, insurance is a tremendously valuable asset. Why? Because insurance protects you in case something happens. Without getting too technical or too much industry jargon and all that, um, you'll have in most cases a business owner's policy. And most business owners' policies has a liability side, meaning if somebody comes into your shop or to your environment, slips and falls, hurts themselves, you're protected. On the other side of that policy is a personal property. That means if you have tools that you want to protect, like clippers and products that you want to insure against vandalism, theft, things that could happen, it is very important to make sure that you protect yourself, especially if you have an inventory of products that you're selling. you know, that can add up real quick. Thousands of dollars worth of inventory of products. If somebody breaks in one night, or it goes up in a fire, that could be like detrimental to like your business, because that still has to be accounted for, and sometimes you have to pay that back. So I would definitely encourage all um, independent contractors, people working at salons, people that have their own salons. Make sure you have a insurance policy, especially if you're working at a barber shop, you're new to a shop. It just gives you a peace of mind that if something happens, if somebody steals some equipment from you, or uh, you know anything can happen. The shop goes up in flames, whatever. There is coverage for you, so you can get back the equipment that you need. Make sure there's a couple things that why have your attention is to remember is get ask your insurance agent about a coverage if something happens to the building, which is causes a loss in income. What that means is, say if the building goes up in flames, a riot breaks out, they have to shut down the shop. Well, they will. There's policies that will actually pay you for the income that you lost during that time. There's also extensions that will pay you until you get your clientele or your income back up, in addition to that time that that building is under construction or there's a loss. So make sure that you just protect yourself as best as possible, and find a good insurance agent. If you need a recommendation, please let me know. I have some great insurance people that I've worked with for years. And if you have any more questions, please ask, because this is how knowledge gets put out, and this is how we protect ourselves as barbers, stylists, estheticians in this community. So until next time, take care of yourself, and peace.